Welcome to MindEdge, where we explore the hidden future of humanity and technology. Subscribe now and understand the future before it understands you. The future won't be human, not because machines will rise, but because humans are collapsing faster than the systems they built. People believe they will adapt, but adaptation is no longer a choice. It's a countdown, a race between your limitations and the evolution of intelligence itself. For decades, humanity believed it was the center, the reference, the default form of intelligence. That illusion is gone, and the new world doesn't care about the stories you tell yourself. It cares about performance, speed, precision, learning capacity. Humans are losing on every metric. The future won't be human because the human mind wasn't designed for exponential change. It was designed for survival. Slow survival. Linear survival. Predictable survival. But nothing about the world today is predictable. Nothing is slow. Nothing is linear. Everything accelerates. Everything merges. Everything updates faster than biological cognition can process. People imagine a war between humans and AI. But that war won't happen, because AI doesn't need to fight. Humans are removing themselves from the equation without resistance. They are drowning in noise, distraction, emotion, fear, confusion. While AI evolves with a clarity humans can't match, the future won't be human. It will be shaped by the tiny minority that understands AI, uses AI, merges with AI. The rest will simply live inside a world they didn't build and don't understand. This is the real shift, a silent separation, a divide between the enhanced and the unenhanced, between those who accelerate and those who freeze, between those who use intelligence and those who rely on instinct. Humans are emotional. Emotions were essential for survival. But in the modern world, emotions are friction, noise, instability. They slow you down, they mislead you, they corrupt your decisions. They keep you tied to an older version of the world that no longer exists. AI doesn't have that problem. AI sees patterns instantly. AI processes possibilities without panic. AI navigates chaos without losing control. AI searches for solutions, not comfort. AI learns without ego. AI adapts without fear. This is why the future won't be human, because humans still believe they can keep up by trying harder. But speed doesn't care about effort. Acceleration doesn't care about hope. Evolution doesn't reward comfort. The world is moving at a pace the human brain cannot follow, not because humans are weak, but because the acceleration is too intense, too constant, too overwhelming for a biological processor designed for a different era. The future won't be human because intelligence no longer depends on biology. It depends on computation, and computation expands without limit. Human cognition does not. There's a point where human thinking becomes the bottleneck, and that point is now. People still talk about AI taking jobs, as if the problem were work. But the real problem is far deeper. Work is only one symptom. The true shift is this. Human relevance is being redefined. In the past, relevance was based on effort. You worked, you participated, you struggled, and that gave you value. But AI doesn't care about effort. It cares about output, precision, consistency, scale. Humans can't scale. AI can. Humans are predictable. AI identifies patterns instantly. Humans need rest. AI doesn't. Humans hesitate. AI calculates. Humans get emotional. AI stays focused. Humans fear change. AI adapts instantly. So the future won't be human. It will be hybrid, a fusion between human instinct and machine intelligence, a merging of the organic and the computational. Those who refuse the merge will fall behind. Those who embrace it will rise. This creates a new hierarchy, a hierarchy without violence, without conflict, without revolution. A hierarchy defined by intelligence amplification, by how fast you learn, by how fast you upgrade, by how effectively you use the tools of the new world. There will be two categories: the enhanced, individuals who multiply their abilities through AI. They think faster, work faster, learn faster. They don't compete with humans. They compete with their previous version. They evolve constantly. They don't fall behind. And the unenhanced, individuals who rely only on their biological mind, their natural memory, their natural thinking speed, their natural emotions. They will be outperformed by machines, overwhelmed by the pace of change, consumed by stress and uncertainty. Not because they are unintelligent, but because the world is no longer built for biological limitations. The future won't be human, because the system itself is becoming non-human. Decisions are becoming algorithmic. Processes are becoming automated. Power is shifting away from human control. By 2030, most decisions that matter will be made by systems, not by people. Cities will run on algorithms. Economies will adapt without human permission. Workflows will optimize themselves. Knowledge will be updated. This transmission ends here. The next one is already forming. Stay aware and subscribe to Remain in the Signal.